In today's video, sponsored by the Home Depot, I'll show you how I took our rental kitchen from dated to timeless using their peel and stick tile options. What started off as a very bland kitchen quickly evolved thanks to a couple of weekend projects. Beginning with updating the backsplash, I prepped the area to apply peel and stick tile sheets by Smart Tiles. I received safe and easy delivery straight to my door directly from thehomedepot.com. Once my materials arrived, the only thing left to do was get started. I used a degreaser to remove any dust or food splashes. I wanted to be sure that the surface area was completely free of debris that could prevent the tiles from sticking. Next, I removed the switch and outlet plates. I believe this extra step allowed my peel and stick tiles to look seamless and more realistic in the end. These smart tiles from the Home Depot were very easy to work with. Each pre-cut sheet fit perfectly into one another with indicators showing which direction it should face. I began at the edge of the backsplash and worked my way inward. Only a few supplies were needed for this installation: a straight edge, a pen or a marker to mark cuts, and a sharp razor or pair of scissors. Because of the thickness of the tiles combined with the slippery smooth surface, I found that a sharp pair of scissors cut the best. For those more specific cuts, I utilized the paper backing of the tile sheets as a template. To show this because I just walked back in the kitchen and it completely feels like a whole different space. Once I got to this point in the installation, I was in a groove and it was smooth sailing from there. Watch until the end of the video to see the final results. Onto the flooring. I used my tile selections, of course, a sharp razor, measuring tape, a speed square, and a straight edge level. Similar to the backsplash, I prepped the floor by sweeping and mopping to ensure no crumbs or debris will be sticking to my tiles. Keeping my degreaser handy, I also did a quick wipe before laying each tile. Starting in the middle of the kitchen floor, I continued to lay each full tile in a diamond pattern. I worked my way outward, leaving the corners and edges for last. That's where I would need to make some cuts. Cuts like these were pretty straightforward. I used my measuring tape to measure from the point where the tiles met to the wall space where it ended. Taking that measurement, I marked on a fresh tile, starting at the same point. I gently scored the tile using my razor, and then snapped the tile in half at the score. Simple as that. Other cuts like this one required a bit more effort, so I used the paper backing of the tile as my template. I cut out the irregular shape on paper, then used that as my guide to make my scores on a new tile. Still using the same method as before, I snapped the tile in half right at each score. After some more cuts and a little bit of styling, I was able to call this installation done. Our rental kitchen is now as beautiful as it is functional, thanks to the Home Depot's pill and stick flooring and backsplash options. After living with the installed tiles for some time now, I'm very impressed with how they've held up to our daily life. You can find a full reveal post on my blog, thisborrowedhome.com, with sources linked. Don't hesitate to check out some of the hundreds of DIY-friendly click-lock flooring solutions offered by the Home Depot for your next project. And if you're more comfortable leaving home projects to the professionals, the Home Depot has home installation services available for every flooring option. Whatever your solution, make it a Home Depot one. I want to thank the Home Depot for sponsoring this project and allowing me to update our rental kitchen without having to leave the house. Check out homedepot.com for your next weekend project.